Bathroom number 1. The towel dryer and a robe. And since we are doing a third person, rooms are standard, is double occupancy or single occupancy. And since we have our daughter, they have set up the rollaway bed in this room, which is more like the living room. Staples. Looks like we got plenty of water, a little kettle for some tea. What's in there?
We got a drawer right here.
We don't need that. What's down there? Oh, the mini fridge. So we've got wine glasses.
Some like food.
Yep, so this is the mini bar.
Some snacks and just some.
Hey, move your head. Thank you. Yeah, that's like if you need stuff.
And then we have the fridge.
Mini fridge. And for our platinum gift, the Butler team has left us some wonderful presents. And they asked us to send a picture before we came, and they had this card made for us. Service has been impeccable. And for Olivia, they have left us a beautiful little Easter egg hunt for her to do. Oh, this is adorable. We'll have to do that. And then you have the closet and one safe here.
We have a laundry bag.
And then this is the main bathroom. With beautiful fresh flowers. Slippers. Another towel heater. Another robe. Plenty of robes. Robes in every closet, every bathroom. And then this is the master bedroom with more closets. And another safe. I can't get that one open. That's fine. Oh, thanks, Liv. Plenty of drawers. Extra pillows. And a little coat rack, umbrella. Keys are digital, but they have that old-time look to it. Just open up this, please. I love the old Florentine style. Absolutely. And what's in those drawers? Is that another mini bar? Yep. Mini bar number 2. So 2 mini bars. And then a view. Oh, let's open. Dear guests, please do not keep the window open for too long. Avoid the entry of mosquitoes from outside. Please secure both primary and secondary locking. Oh, goodness gracious. I'll have to have, that is beautiful.
A lake view.
Yeah, we're going to have to get Daddy to open up the window.
Did you saw the bedside tables?
Yes. You can open the window.
Not too long ago. Same with
Let me see you open it.
Hoping I don't need this paper. It smells so good.
Is it food?
Oh, that's smart. I think it's like muffins or something. Straight.
What is that? Is it is that the traditional Easter cake we were hearing about? Wow. Oh my goodness.